Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be taking you through a process on how I make borderless frame for my clients. Please do well to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also share this video to your loved ones. You apply your Ehigie glue on your FDM board. After applying your Ehigie glue on your FDM board, then you bring out your printed picture and place your printed picture on top of your FDM board. Then use your clean cloth or your hanky to press the picture to the board. After pressing the picture to the board, then you can bring your scissors or your knife to cut out the excesses of the picture. So the way I'm doing it now, as you can see, I'm cutting out the excesses of the picture. So you cut out the excesses of the picture for the four corner side. After cutting out these excesses, then you can trim the H shape you use on your board. Here's the final picture. As you can see, is this not beautiful? Is this not beautiful? It's time for me to package my work to my clients. Please do well to subscribe to this channel to get notified anytime I post new video. See you in my next video. Bye.